Dear the final year students of Sri Guru Sudhendra College, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to the virtual learning platform of Sri Guru Sudhendra College. Dear talents, in this video, we are going to discuss about something new, something interesting, all about a new programming language, Java. So for BCA finals, the actual subject is internet programming, right? The concept, the subject name itself is internet programming, but internally, this entire subject is devoted, it is dedicated to a concept, to a programming language called Java. And in this video, I have handpicked a PDF book, and we are going to just go through the contents of it. And that content is, it's almost, it resembles with what syllabus you have. And there are more and more things what we are going to understand here. So now you have entered the final year. Now henceforth, you should not depend upon what the syllabus is. Always your focus should be beyond the syllabus. So considering that, so this particular video is set. And even with this video, I'm going to share even the soft copy of this material. You can just go through this and you can refer it for your career. So once again, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to the final year course, the final year BCA, the last year of graduation, and wish you all the best. Happy learning. So dear talents, so in this subject, you are going to learn the various things, and the first and foremost, it's about the OOPS. So that is nothing but the object-oriented programming system, right? So in this object-oriented programming, it resembles with somewhat what you have already studied in C++. So C++ is a language which you have already studied. And here in this concept, once again, there are many aspects which resembles with the similar concept what you have already learned in C++. It may be the data abstraction or the encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, data binding, message communication. There are lots of things. Here, initially, we are going to learn about these things in basics. Then why these concepts, right? What is the advantage of this object-oriented system? And even we are going to discuss about what are the various applications of object-oriented things. Then our focus in the syllabus, we are going to give on the Java evaluation, right? Why Java? There are lots of languages. In spite of all these languages, why we are focusing on Java, right? That we need to understand the history is the base, right? So as and when we understand, focus more on the history, so we can majorly focus on the actual contents. So here we need to know about the basic, the informations, we need to know about the background, the history. So herein we are going to learn about Java history and what are the Java features, right? So what has made Java so powerful. And along with that, we are going to learn about how Java is different from C and C++. Then the relations. What do you mean by the Java and internet? What is the relation between a Java and World Wide Web? Then what are the various web browsers, Java support system, Java environment, Java development kit, application programming interface, lots of things, right? So we are going to focus here. So in this subject, the major focus will be given to this particular topic, because here we are going to understand why we are learning Java and what is the relevance of learning Java. Then post that, our focus will be on the overview of the Java language, right? So how Java language is structurized and what are the content we are going to learn in Java. Basically, we are going to start from a concept called class. Then we are going to understand the layout of the entire program, how to define the header files and how the program to be done, how to run the program, how to debug the program, right? So that's a very important thing. And for each and every programming language, there are basic things which we need to understand. So first and foremost is all about the tokens. And post tokens, we are going to learn about how the Java program to be designed, how Java has to be planned. Then we are going to focus even on the various constants, variables, data types, and many more things, right? So these are the concepts which you already studied in your previous programming languages. So similar things you are going to learn here. Then one more thing is we are going to learn about the operators and the expressions, right? So what operator is all about and what expression is all about, we are going to learn about these things in detail. See, these are the aspects which I already studied in the previous languages. There are similar concepts and there are few things which are new. Decision making and branching, yes, you are master in this, right? About if conditions, about the looping and all. Even there are little bit of new things, right, which we have in this. So from this particular concept, the actual Java concept, it begins, right? So where we are going to learn about the classes, objects, methods, creation of classes, right? So subclass and all these features. Then even we are going to learn about the array concept, strings, and even about the vectors. Then the focus will be on interface. That's nothing but the multiple inheritance. Then we are going to learn about the packages, right? So what is a Java package and how it is developed and how to use the package. And in case if you are not happy with the existing package and if you want to create your own package, even that you can create. And even you are going to learn about the multi-threaded programming, right? So this is a wonderful, interesting program where we are going to learn about the life cycle and the various other aspects. Then there's a one more very interesting thing called managing the errors and exceptions, right? So as and when you run the applications, you are going to face the errors, and these errors, these exceptions need to be handled. Now we are not focusing on a program, we are focusing on a software. So once you are ready with this Java aspects, so you will be directly entering the last phase, the last semester, and in the last semester you have got a project work, and the mini project will be done even during this odd semester. So to learn about the project, to understand about the project, so you need to have the idea of what all these aspects are all about. Now, as I already said, Java is also called the internet programming, right? When you talk about internet programming, you need to develop an application in such a way that which is usable everywhere, right? Which is applicable everywhere. So to make the application applicable everywhere, used everywhere, what you need to do is you need to learn about the applets. So here once again you have got a various different things, introduction to applets, how the applet to be designed, and lots of other aspects. Then you have got a concept called graphics programming, right? It's very interesting, where you'll come to know how to create an object, right? So what do you mean by the rectangle drawing and all those things you are going to learn. Then you have a concept called managing input and output files in Java. So usually normally for a small program, we give the input, we get the output. Whatever output we get, it's not permanent output. This output need to be saved. In case if you want to store the output, then files need to be used. In case if for your program, if you are giving more inputs, then file to be used. So all these things you are going to learn in this what do you say, in Java application. See, the material, the book covers lots of aspects, right? Lots of things, but here we are limited, we are restricted to a few things, right? And let us try our best to learn to understand something more, right? So beyond syllabus, because whatever is there, it's limited to syllabus. Yes, we need to study that's from examination point of view. And now this is the time, right? So you have entered the final years, and this is the time where you need to expand your horizon, right? So you need to expand your limits. So you should not set your limitations, right? So you need to learn about various aspects, and to do that, what you need to do is you need to learn about these concepts in detail, right? So this is all about Java. So I'm engaging, so I'm handling Java from past many years, and with that particular experience, I can quote you that. So this subject you're going to enjoy just like anything, because for each and every aspect, or in every class, in every session, we are going to play with the programming aspects, right? So, and you know, for the BCA student, so program is like oxygen, right? So without oxygen, you know what problems we are going to face. Similarly, without program, a class is, you know, right? So program is going to make the class very, what do you say, bright, right? Or enjoyable, right? So in this entire semester, you're going to learn about Java. And in case, right, post Java, in case if you want to learn about advanced Java, for that, the special training, the additional facilities will be provided to you all, where even you can learn about advanced Java and you can plan your career in Java. So once again, I welcome you all to the last year of your undergraduate course, the final years, and welcome to the new programming language Java. So once again, I wish you all the best for the final years and happy learning, happy Java learning. Thank you.